I'm on a riverbank. These are very thin knotweeds, stalks. Very thin. They're already growing shoots on them. See? Not what I want. But I brewed this up and made tea out of this. It made such a rich pink broth. So I don't want to leave empty-handed. You can see the sprouts are coming out. They're only about this big. Just got done dumping rain. But I got some garlic mustard earlier. Now I got this. I mean, it's literally everywhere. See it? It's everywhere. Trying to get the bigger ones. But these aren't thick stalks. I'm going to go get some thicker stalks at another spot. But in the meantime, this will make a great broth. And if these are tender enough, sometimes these aren't because they're just real thin, then I'll just eat the broth, drink it. These little shoots. I mean, they're literally everywhere. It's because they're an invasive species. That's why they're everywhere. That's enough, because that's a nice condensed bunch right there. Little knotweed shoots with the leaves on them. This is not what they will look like in a little bit. The main big plants get green. I mean, they're everywhere. See? Everywhere. Oop, dropping. Doesn't matter because they're everywhere. Alright, I gotta go. It's starting to rain again.